Classification of animals based on their bones. Animals are classified as vertebrates or invertebrates. Vertebrate comes from the word vertebra or vertebrae. It is the segmented bone or bones in the spinal column. Thus, vertebrates animals are animals that have backbone. Vertebrate animals can be classified into 5. These are fish, amphibians, reptiles, birds, and mammals. Fish make up the largest group of vertebrates. Nearly half of all vertebrates are fish. A fish is a cold-blooded water animal. Most fish are covered with scales. They have no legs or feet. Instead, they have fins that help them move about in the water. The skeleton of most fish is made of bone, while some are made of cartilage. Amphibians. They are the animals that live on both land and water. Amphibians lay eggs in the water and live on land as adults. They are cold-blooded animals. Their skin feels wet and slimy. When the female lays her eggs, she leaves them. The eggs hatch and the young live in the water, then transfer to the land when fully grown. Examples of amphibians are frogs, toads, and salamanders. Reptiles. Reptiles are cold-blooded vertebrates with dry skin. Unlike amphibians, reptiles have lungs, but they live both in land and water. Crocodiles, for example, can quietly stay underwater for long periods while waiting for prey. Most reptiles are covered with scales. Examples of reptiles are alligators and crocodiles, snakes, lizards, and turtles. Birds. Birds are warm-blooded vertebrates. There are many different kinds of tropical birds, and there are birds that live in very cold climates. Chickens live on land. Eagles build nests on high cliffs or very tall trees, and ducks and swans are at home on water. All birds lay eggs in nests they have built. They breathe through their lungs. Birds are distinct for their feathers and their wings. Feathers cover the bird's skin to keep them warm. Most birds use their wings to fly, but ostriches and penguins are flightless. Mammals. Mammals are warm-blooded and are the most different among the group of animals. Their bodies are covered with hair or fur all over. Some mammals give birth to only one young at a time. Others have multiple babies. Female mammals produce milk in their mammary glands and feed their young until they are weaned. Mammals get their name because of this special gland. However, there are 2 egg-laying mammals. The echidna, that belongs to the family of anteaters, and the platypus, a native of Australia. The biggest animals alive are mammals. Elephants on land, and the blue whale in water. The blue whale is the largest mammal that can grow to 30 meters long and can weigh 150 tons. Marsupials are mammals with pouches in their bodies. This is where their babies stay until they fully develop. A baby kangaroo, for example, only crawls out of its mother's body a few days after it has grown inside. It stays in the pouch for a longer time where it feeds on its mother's milk. There are also winged mammals like bats. Invertebrates. Invertebrates animals are animals that do not have backbones. The invertebrates group is large. Some, like the sponge, look more like plants than animals. Other invertebrates are echinoderms, mollusks, cnidarians, worms, crustaceans, and arthropods. There are even more ways animals can be classified. There are those that roam the wild and those that are kept for pets. There are also agricultural helpers like the horse and carabao and agricultural livestock for food. God was so creative that no two animals are exactly alike, just as there is no person exactly like you, not even your twin if you have one. However, differences lie not only in physical makeup but also in behavior. Living things require the fulfillment of certain needs to survive, and animals choose their habitats for this reason. When we study more about animals, we can better understand their behavior. We can interact or cohabit with them in a manner that does not threaten them or us. Then, we can fulfill our role as caretakers of God's creation. Thank you for watching this video. God bless.